So people ask me this question a lot, that why is it that whenever I send my scripture from Easyworship with a motion background into OBS, I always get a black screen instead of the motion background in the OBS. That means the motion background doesn't follow the scripture whenever it is displayed in OBS. So in this video, I'll show you why Easyworship shows a black background in OBS and how to fix it. Now I'll show you why this happens real quick. Alright, so whenever you are selecting a motion background as your scripture background or your song background, alright, you have to do that under themes. Okay, so this is the motion background that is currently displaying our scripture. Right now, the reason it's not displaying is because when you right click on it, you will see a second option, set as default alternate scripture theme. This has to be checked, alright, for it to work. You have to make sure that this is checked for it to work. Let me search for another scripture and then show you what happens. So when we go to OBS, you see that we now have the motion background set as our scripture background in OBS. Okay, so always make sure that when you are choosing your motion background, there are two options that are here. All right, the first one is set as default scripture theme, then the other is set as default alternate scripture theme. Now what this means is that, remember when you were setting your NDI source, you chose your alternate output as your NDI stream. Okay, now alternate means second option, alright, another perspective or something similar. So in this case, your alternate source is your OBS, or maybe your whatever software you are capturing is your alternate source or your alternate output. Okay, so when you are choosing your motion background, you have to make sure that you set it to your alternate scripture theme. Alright, alternate here indicates another software that you are trying to display your Easyworship. So these two has to be checked for it to work. If you uncheck this one is the one that works within the Easyworship. Okay, so if I search for a scripture, you see that the background becomes black. But when I go to my OBS, the background is still showing. The reason is because we chose this as our alternate scripture theme only. Okay, always make sure that this two is checked. Alright, always make sure that this two is checked. Okay, otherwise you're going to have a black screen in your OBS. So this is how you fix why OBS always shows a black screen when you're trying to display scripture from Easyworship. Okay, this is done through NDI source. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to display your scriptures directly from Easyworship to OBS using NDI source. I'm going to be telling you what NDI source is and what you can use it for. I just hope you understand this. If you do not get it, try and go over the video again. Alright, so make sure you share this video after watching. Please make sure you share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on TikTok, on Facebook. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.